त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणचक्षुषि घृतम् चतुर्होतारोऽङ्घ्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा ग्रहाजिह्वायां ते परपुरुष कर्णे च चमसा विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरद गलदेशेऽप्युपसदा त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणचक्षुषि घृतम् चतुर्होतारोऽङ्घ्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा ग्रहाजिह्वायां ते परपुरुष कर्णे च चमसा विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरद गलदेशेऽप्युपसदा मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमना महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्त सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमना महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्त सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते.
ഹരേ കൃഷ്ണ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ. നമസ്തേ. ദശകം 13 and shlokas 9 and 10. Hey Parapurusha, O Supreme Lord Guruvayurappa, Te Tvachi Chanda, in place of your skin is the Gayatri and so on. Romasu api Kushagana, Kusha grass are your hairs. Chakshushi, in place of your eyes. Ghrudam, clarified butter or ghee. Chaturhodaronghrau, Chaturhodaronghrau, 4 priests in place of the 4 legs of the Varahamurti. Shruk abhi vadane itaja udare griha jihvayam te karnecha chamasa galadeshe api upasada vibho somaviryam. Overall, this shloka is about the various limbs or organs of the cosmic boar Varahamurti being linked to the yajna or sacrifice. Lord Varahamurti is the representation or embodiment of all sacrificial rites, and so such things like the Gayatri takes the place of Varahamurti's skin, Kusha grass a kind of grass are his hairs. The sages praise Varahamurti. Clarified butter or ghee are your eyes. The four legs of the divine boar, Varahamurti, are the four priests performing the yajna or sacrifice. Thus, the various aspects of a sacrifice or yajna replaces each organ of the Varahamurti, and the Lord is so praised by the sages. Now the Shloka 10. He Vadalayapate Madhuripo, O Lord Guruvairappa, who killed the demon Madhu. Ityadi Stavana Mukharaihi Munindrai. Ityadi Stavana Mukharaihi Munindrai. Thus, by the sages praising the Varahamurti, Modita Mana, with a happy mind, Mahiyasya Murtya, with a huge body, Vimalatara Kirtya cha Vilasan, shining with spotless glory, Swadhishnyam Samprapta, you who got back to your abode, the Vaikuntha Loka, Sukharasa Vihari, reveling in your own bliss, Tvam, O Lord Varahamurti, Guruvairappa, may Sakalamapi Rogam Nirundhya, eradicate all my illnesses. Here the sages continue to praise the Lord, calling him Madhuripu, or the one who killed a demon named Madhu. The one with a huge form, Varahamurti, and spotless glory, and the one who celebrates at will. That being so, amused at heart, O Lord Guruvairappa, you retreated or retired to your own abode, the Vaikuntha Loka. May Sakalamapi Rogam Nirundhya, eradicate all my illnesses, O Lord Guruvairappa. And that's the end of Dashakam 13. Namaste.